Dude, if you stab a cereal box, are you a serial killer?
Yeah, for sure. If you do the Cocoa Puffs or Lucky Charms, I'll come after you myself. But any other cereal, you're doing this world a favor.
Bro, when you're talking, you can't breathe out through your nose.
What? No way! Barney is a dinosaur. You're right!
Neil A. Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. Neil A., spelled backwards, is alien. You don't need a parachute to skydive. You only need a parachute to skydive twice.
Mom, how many times did Jimmy say he's planning on going skydiving later? Once, not twice. When he's done, can I have his PlayStation 5?
Mirrors don't break. They only multiply.
Nope, not gonna fall for it. You just want me to get in trouble with Mom. Nope.